We're starting the new year off with the Daniel fast. 21 days, only fruits and veggies. Watch this. First, let's clean our fruits and vegetables. We're using baking soda, vinegar, and water to soak our fruits and vegetables so that they're nice and clean for our smoothies. Let them soak for 30 minutes, give them a rinse, and then let's head over to the cutting board. First, we're gonna peel our carrots, and as I'm doing that, I just want to let you guys know as we step into a new year, this is a perfect time to align our wellness goals with our spiritual practices. Daniel Fast is a 21-day period of fasting, prayer, and offers a unique opportunity to reset not just your body, but also your spirit and mind. The easiest way to achieve this fast is by preparation, slicing up all your fruits and vegetables beforehand so you don't have to think and scramble to try to find something to nourish your body throughout this fast. Now you can see that I'm saving the fruits and vegetable skins for a reason. I'm going to show you guys how to make a nice, delicious detox tea to include during your Daniel fast. And don't just pick any old fruit. Pick what's in season. You see that I'm using kiwi, orange, grapefruit. I also have some spinach, some carrots. Everything is fresh, in season, and organic. Make sure you grab any little bits of scraps of skin because like I said before, do not throw them out. We're going to make a tea out of them. Stay tuned. To prepare our smoothies, all you need is a Ziploc bag. Just grab a handful using your God-given hands of each fruit and vegetable. Pack these nice and tight, and then we're going to throw these in the freezer. So anytime that we are ready for a smoothie during the day, during this fast, all we got to do is grab them from the freezer. While they're getting cold, let's make that detox tea. Now, Unc is all about upcycling, reusing compost so that we can get a double burst of nutrition from these fruits and vegetable skins. Add them to a pot of boiling water, and then we're going to throw in some extra herbs, the Vital Spice Daily Blend, which is a blend of the 8 essential herbs you need on a daily basis. And then as we are in the flu season, you're going to want to put some of that Vital Spice Immune Boost in there too as well. It's got oregano, vitamin C, everything you need to stay on point. Let that simmer on low for 30 minutes covered. You can get both spices from UncleDibbz.com. After 30 minutes, strain your detox tea into a separate bowl. You can serve this hot. You can serve this over ice. You can even use it as the base for your smoothies. And it keeps you on point during flu season. For the Daniel Fast smoothie, I use a base of alkaline water. And then I do 2 bags of our fruits and veggies that we prepped earlier. Just throw that in the blender. And then to power boost this smoothie, we're going to add some more of that Vital Spice Daily Blend. That's just ginger, turmeric, mint, basil, parsley, and more. Top it off with a few capfuls of apple cider vinegar and give everything a blend. Let me know in the comments if you want to join me on this Daniel fast. I'm starting on January 5th, but let me know in the comments what date that you're going to start. Let's keep each other on point and accountable. This full recipe is available on my site, UncleDibbz.com.
That's good, shorty.